In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play Store is not responding problem. For fixing this problem, just go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now search for Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play Store is not responding problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.